Everyone, today let's look at itertools.accumulate. It's the perfect one-line tool for running totals or cumulative operations in Python without using messy loops. Imagine you want a running total of a list instead of a for loop. We can just pass the list to accumulate. And output is like this. Let's run. And it returns an iterator, convert it to a list, and you get the sequential totals: 10, then 30, then 60, and so on. If you have a starting baseline, use the initial parameter. The output will start with this value and have one extra element, like this. The output like this. And run. Okay. By default, it adds numbers, but you can pass a custom function like a Lambda expression to do things like cumulative multiplication, like this. Okay, output like this. Run. This easily creates factorials, and yes, you can combine this with an initial value 2 to scale the whole operation from a base number. The output like this. Okay, great for math, finance, or recursive logic. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe, and tell me in the comment how you'll see it. See you next time.